I don't know what he was talking about. I'm like, bro, it's the same engine, same car. Same engine, same train, stupid ass transmission. Nah, you gotta put car bar to see what they got to. Gotta be the M56.
Attention passengers. Do not run to catch your plane or train. Please allow plenty of time to reach your JFK destination.
Same shit, the M, bro. Just throwing up.
We are arriving at Federal Circle for hotel shuttles and rental cars. This is a Jamaica train, stopping at all airline terminals. Stop. Look around and please take all your belongings.
Yes, take the shoot. Yeah, I got my taxes. I'm about I still. You got here. Definitely not me. No, I met you. At this.
This train on track 1 is a Jamaica train, stopping at all airline terminals. For your safety, please ride elevators located at the end of all air train stations. Please stand clear. The doors doors are closing. Please hold on. This is a Jamaica train, stopping at all airline terminals. Our next stop will be Terminal 1. The Port Authority and its private partners are investing $19 billion to completely transform JFK into a world-class gateway. We are building 2 huge new terminals with local shops and restaurants, family-friendly amenities, and iconic public art, while also streamlining our roadway network. We apologize for any inconvenience during the construction period as we work to deliver the modern curb-to-gate experience you deserve. Attention passengers. Do not run to catch your plane or train. Please allow plenty of time to reach your JFK destination.